Redeeming a Steam code on the Steam mobile app is straightforward. So here is a full guide to help you redeem your code and add the content to your Steam account. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Steam app on an iPhone or Android device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom left corner to open the settings menu. Now here scroll down and tap on the support option available there. Inside support, scroll down and there you will get to see a list of options available. Look through it and tap on the purchase option from there. Now scroll down and there you'll get to see other options as well. From there tap on the I can't find my Steam wallet or Steam card option available there. Tap on it and navigate to the another screen. Again scroll down and there you'll have to tap on where can I redeem my Steam gift card option available. Now here you'll be navigated to enter the 12-digit Steam code that you received. This could be for a game or a Steam wallet gift card. Ensure you type the code correctly including your hyphens. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.